Are you searching for rubber tracks? At Gatorback Tracks, we offer premium replacement rubber tracks for your mini excavators, compact track loaders, skid steel loaders, and other rubber track machinery. Gatorback Rubber Tracks are an investment in a premium product that was designed and manufactured to deliver maximum efficiency and increase service life over other brands. Gatorback Rubber Tracks premium product offers benefits such as all natural rubber compounds, continuously wound inner steel cords, vulcanized wrapped inner steel cords, and heavy-duty steel embedded links. Gatorback Rubber Tracks will enhance your productivity and make your job easier, whether working on an agricultural project, site work, or plowing snow. Don't get stuck in the middle of your next project. Let us help. To order your rubber tracks, please call 877-748-7299 today.